Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are all doing well. This week we are in the week of space versus ocean, and so we will be discovering things about space and the ocean and what are the differences between them. I decided that it would be very cool that we should do slime, in specific ocean slime. One, I feel like slime is very cool, very therapeutic, and I feel like we can all have a good time when doing slime. And so what you have in front here is Elmer's Magical Liquid. This liquid is very good. I personally tried it. This is Elmer's right here. Elmer's Magical Liquid is very good. I personally like this because you don't need any borax, any contact solution. All you need is this, and it should make your slime in 1, 2, 3. Next, you're gonna need, of course, some school glue. It could be clear glue, it could be white glue, whatever glue that you have is perfectly fine as long as it's glue. You need food colors. This is optional, but you can use also glitter. I chose green and silver glitter because I feel like those match the ocean. And you have your plate and your spoon. And so let's get started. So I chose to do ocean slime because I personally love the ocean. And so I feel like it would be cool to state some facts about the ocean before we start. In case you didn't know, we have only explored less than 5% of the ocean up to this day. So that means that 95% or less than 95% has not been explored. Isn't that amazing? And the biggest animal in the ocean is the blue whale. I think you guys know that. At a point I didn't know, but that's actually pretty cool too. And so let's get started. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your school glue and I'm gonna open it. And so if you want to use the entire glue, which this one is 7.6 ounces, it's totally fine. But I'm only going to use about 6 ounces. So that'll just be almost the entire bottle of glue, but not all of it. Set them to the side. Step 2. We're gonna use our food coloring. You're gonna take whatever color you want. I am gonna choose blue, and I am going to choose green, so that way I can make a aqua color, because the color of the ocean is blue, right? And so I chose to do the food coloring first before adding the magical liquid, because it'll be a less messier process. And so I'm just gonna take 2 drops of the blue food coloring, 3, and I'm gonna use only 1 drop of green because I want it to be a nice aqua color. And so you're gonna grab your spoon and you're going to keep stirring until you see that the mixture of the glue and the food coloring is combined. And I have a question for you guys. Do you guys know the parts of the ocean and the names of them? If you do, comment down below. And if you know the biggest one, comment. I would love to know if any of you guys know. And so here you have it. It's a nice consistency of aqua glue. And so here comes the fun part. The magical liquid. So you can use the same spoon, so that way you don't have to reuse so many utensils. And you're gonna start off with 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And as soon as you start putting the magical liquid, you'll see that the glue and the magical liquid starts to create the slime. And so you have to continue to stir until you see that you have the perfect consistency to then knead your slime. So as you see here, it's still kind of liquidy. And so when you see that that's like that, you'll just continue to put more magical liquid, but you have to do it little by little. So I just added another teaspoon of magical liquid. And you just continue to stir. And as you see, now it's getting pretty sticky, and that's how you know that you're close to getting the great consistency for slime. It's still a little liquidy, so you can continue to add the liquid until you get it. 1, 2. It's getting there, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I think maybe 1 more teaspoon and we will be good. And for the fun but messy part, we are going to grab, I think it still needs, okay. Okay. And so this is my consistency. It's sticky enough, but not too sticky. Well, it's still kind of sticky, but this is a process, guys. You just have to continue to put until you see the perfect consistency of slime. But once you see that it's comes out like that, I think you're good. And here comes the fun part, but it's really messy. It gets messy, I will tell you that. And so you're gonna grab your slime. Grab your slime and you're gonna start kneading it. Like I said earlier, it will get messy, but this is an important step when it comes to making slime, because if you don't knead it, then it won't turn into slime. And so you'll just continue to knead it. If you see that your hands get filled with a lot of slime and you're afraid that it's gonna stick, no worries. I learned a good trick from my kids at work, that what you should do when that happens is just quickly grab the slime and just pat it. And so you just quickly and just continue. If you see that it's still really sticky in your hand after kneading it for a few minutes, just add a little bit of solution. It's totally fine. so messy. Oh my god. I'm getting there, guys. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding creating the slime, or if you want, you can tell us what is your favorite part of creating slime, and what colors or what kind of glitter did you use when incorporating this to your slime. Ta-da! So this is my slime. Look how stretchy it is. Whoa. I can't wait to see your slime. And so once you see that the slime is stretchable, it doesn't break when stretching it, you will know that you have a perfect consistency. And so now I'm gonna add some glitter. Put this aside. Add some glitter. And I'm gonna add the green glitter. So you just mix it. You might need a lot if you want it to be visible. So I put a lot of green. Whoa, looks so cool. It's very stretchy and I love it. Can you see the silver and the green glitter? Gives it a nice touch for your ocean slime. If you want, you can also make separate batches of different colors of blue, and you can put them all together so that way you can have an even more magical ocean slime. And there you have it, guys. The perfect ocean slime. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I just hope that you have a great time with your slime. Bye!